U.S. Drought Monitor, May 28, 2026. For all 50 U.S. states and Puerto Rico, the U.S. Drought Monitor showed 50.77% of the area in moderate drought or worse, compared with 52.15% last week. About 152.7 million people live in areas now in drought, compared with 158.2 million the week before. During the week, a highly variable weather pattern brought wide temperature swings to much of the lower 48. Unusually cold temperatures settled over the plains at the start of the week and pushed eastward. This brought a rapid and stormy end to the heat wave across the eastern seaboard. In contrast, the west saw well above normal temperatures. By midweek, warmer than normal weather had returned to the plains, with daily maximum temps climbing into the upper 90s in some areas. Meanwhile, the Pacific states saw cooler temperatures by the end of the week. The strong temperature gradients that set up across the nation, with ample Gulf moisture moving northward, resulted in widespread heavy and persistent precipitation. Many locations exceeded 2 inches from eastern Texas and Oklahoma northeast to the mid-Atlantic states, with isolated areas seeing 6 or more inches. Widespread rainfall, although with lighter accumulations, fell across the north-central plains as daily temperatures warmed. Mostly dry weather prevailed across the upper Mississippi Valley and western Corn Belt. Areas west of the Rockies saw mostly dry weather, but a strong cold front brought showers to much of the northwest by the end of the week. Many areas of the southeast and south saw improvement this week, with some degradation in the Texas Panhandle. Conditions worsened in parts of the Midwest, with some improvement in Ohio, Kentucky, Indiana, and Missouri. There was an area of 2-category improvement across Ohio and Kentucky. The rest of the lower 48 saw a mix of improvement and degradation to dryness and drought. Alaska saw an area of improvement. The U.S. Drought Monitor is produced each Thursday through a partnership between the National Drought Mitigation Center at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, the USDA, NOAA, and NASA. Visit droughtmonitor.unl.edu for more. NDMC helps people everywhere reduce vulnerability to drought. Learn more about our work at drought.unl.edu.